Good morning class. Today I want to describe about Introduction to Euclid's Geometry for class 9 exercise 3.1 question number 3 part first and second. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about axiom and postulates because you can ask question to me what is axiom and what is postulates. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Axiom or postulates are assumptions which are universal truth and they are not proved. They are not proved. Assumptions are used for algebra and postulates are used for geometry. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. There are 7 axioms and 5 postulates. You can learn very easily, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the board. NCERT class 9 exercise 3.1. Question 3. Consider two postulates given below. First, given two distinct points A and B, there exists a third point C which is in between A and B. It is clear? It is first point. Clear? Second, there exist at least 3 points. 3 points that are not on the same line. Not on the same line. Do these postulates contain any undefined terms? Contain undefined terms? Are these postulates consistent? Are they consistent? Do they follow from Euclid's postulates? Explain. Question is clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Here given two postulates. Here given two postulates. You explain it. It is correct or incorrect. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Solution first. If 2 points A and B are given, then there exists a third point C which is in between A and B. According to first postulate, according to Euclid's first postulates. Clear? According to Euclid's first postulates. Next, if 2 points A and B are given, then we can take a point C which do not lie on the line, passes through the point A and B. Clear? First point. Here given two distinct points A and B. Given two distinct points A and B. There exists a third point C which is in between A and B or not. Clear? Here point A, it is point A and it is point B. According to question, given two distinct points A and B. Here first, second distinct points. There exists a third point C between A and B. Between A and B. Here point C. AC equal to BC. Here AC equal to BC or AC plus BC equal to AB. AC equal to BC. AC equal to BC. AC plus BC. AC plus BC equal to AB. AB. According to first postulates. According to Euclid's postulate first. According to Euclid's postulate first. Euclid's postulate first. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next point. Here there exist at least 3 points. 3 points that they are not on the same line. They are not on the same line. Not on the same line. Do these postulates contain any undefined terms? Are these postulates consistent? Do they follow from Euclid's postulate? Do they follow Euclid's postulates? Explain. Here, if 2 points A and B are given, if 2 points A and B are given, and then we can take a point C which do not lie on the same line passes through. Do not lie on the same line passes through point A and B. It is clear here. Point A and here point B and here point C. Here point C. Here if 2 points A and B are given, A and B are given, then we can take a point C which do not lie on the same line. Do not lie on the same line. Here, not on the same line. Clear? Throw points A and B. According to axiom, these postulates do not follow. These postulates do not follow. Postulates. These postulates do not follow Euclid's postulates. It is not follow Euclid's postulate. However, they follow axiom. It is axiom, not postulates. It is axiom, not postulate, but it is postulates first. It is postulate first, and it is not postulate, but it is axiom. According to Euclid's axiom. Here, according to Euclid's axiom, according to Euclid's axiom, it is clear that passes through them. Euclid's postulate 1. Here, these postulates do not follow Euclid's postulates. However, they follow axiom. Clear? 2 distinct points. There is a unique line. 2 distinct points. There is a unique line. Here, distinct points A and B. Unique line that passes through them. That passes through them accordingly. Clear? No confusion about it. It is very easy. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You can learn very easily. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.